the temptation is part of the journey, not a sign of weakness. And he was in the wilderness 40 days being tempted by Satan, and he was with the wild animals, and the angels were ministering to him. That's Mark 1 verse 13. Mga classmates, if Jesus was tempted, who are we to think we'd get a free pass? Temptation doesn't mean failure. It means you are a threat. Satan tempts people with potential. So if you're feeling under attack, guess what? You're probably carrying something big that the enemy wants to shut down. Mga classmates, temptation is the compliment the devil pays you when you are doing something right. That's according to Adrian Rogers. Now, here's the practical tip, mga classmates. Don't fight alone. Fight with the scripture, prayer, and accountability. Wear the armor of God.